The typewriter sat untouched for years, tucked away in my grandmother's study. I found it during a storm, thunder rattling the windows as I dusted off the thick layer of dust covering its keys. The machine felt unnaturally cold, heavier than it should have been. Curiosity won over caution. I rolled in a blank sheet and pressed a key. Instantly, the carriage jerked violently, and the keys clattered on their own. Letters formed slowly at first. Do not read. I froze, the words burning into the paper like a warning. My heart hammered wildly, but I couldn't tear my eyes away. The keys resumed, faster now, pounding out. You should have listened. My breath fogged in the sudden chill creeping through the room. The typewriter trembled beneath my hands. Shadows stretched and twisted across the walls, pooling like ink around my feet. The next line appeared. It is too late. The study door slammed shut behind me. I lunged for the handle, but the keys hammered a final sentence. It's here for you. A cold, clammy hand gripped my shoulder. I spun around. Nothing but empty air. The typewriter clattered one last word. Run. But my legs refused to move. I caught my reflection in the dark window behind me. Except it was smiling, and I was not. The typewriter fell silent. So did I.